Today I got the perfect pants for dress up and very comfortable. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing another piece by COOFANDY, and these are going to be a nice leisure dress up style type pant. I absolutely love these because number one, they're very comfortable. This is going to be made with a 95% polyester and a 5% spandex. And that allows you to remain super comfortable all day. These pants are going to have a super nice four-way stretch, so you're going to be able to be comfy all day long. Now, these pants come in a bunch of different colors and I ended up getting the khaki model because I wanted to wear these more so as dress pants, and I have a lot of tan options to go with. These are amazing and I'm super excited about this color. They also have gray, black, and blue. So these pants are going to feature a nice elastic on the top that's going to be very comfortable and stretchy. So even if you size up or down, you're going to be totally fine and have a lot of room. As you can see here, we have these nice lace style drawstrings and they're going to be a nice accent color. They're just going to be tied off at the end, no metal pieces or anything like that. But these are going to be nice because they hang low. So if you do want to have a little bit of leisure, so if you do want to have more of a leisure style, you can just let these hang out and it's just a nice cool accent piece. But if you do want to tie these up, maybe keep the drawstring out of the way or just get them a little bit tighter, you can absolutely do that and you won't have an issue. Now on the sides, we're going to have two pockets that are pretty deep. There's my iPhone 17 Pro Max going in the pocket, stays all the way in, does not poke out whatsoever. This is pretty deep. And then we're also going to get this cool accent up here. This is going to be a black button with some cool stitching. This is just going to give it a nice dress up style look. On the back here, we are going to have one pocket in the rear, and that is actually a pretty deep pocket. It looks like it's going to fit my iPhone 17 Pro Max all the way in there. Now I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium and I think these fit great. Super baggy style. I love the way that these fit over my shoes. They just overhang perfectly and they're actually not even dragging at all. They're not touching the ground. So if you want to run it over the front of your shoe, it's going to look like that. You want to pull it back and drop it to the back. Either way, the way that they sit, it's just a nice comfortable look and it's just going to look good. Now I was just talking to a couple people about getting some nice like dress up lounge clothes because guys, skinnies are out. They're officially out and now the baggies are in. So these are going to be super baggy. You're going to provide yourself with a ton of style and you're going to be able to look really good. Now I'm wearing a slimmer type shirt. You could also run this with a baggy. You can dress up or down with this very easily, making it a super good option. Now this is just a really comfortable kit. I love it. I think I'm going to check out some more colors. I would definitely wear something like this on a date night, out on the town, to an event, even a wedding, because really guys, you can get away with just looking super dressed up the way that you pair this and you're going to be comfortable. They're very lightweight, breathable. These are awesome. Make sure you check out the other colors. If you guys want to pick a set up for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down in the description. I might even have a discount code there to help save you guys a little bit of your hard-earned money. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.